Welcome to my speech about how to make a paper airplane. Today we'll be going over the history of paper airplanes, how to make a paper airplane, and how paper airplanes benefit society. Going back to 500 BC in ancient China and Japan, they would make kites made out of paper folds, allowing the wind to catch on to the paper and make it fly up in the air. And during the Renaissance, Leonardo da Vinci made models of paper flying machines. He also would study how flight would occur and how the wind would pick up the stuff and make it fly in the air and stay up. And now let's move on to how to actually make a paper airplane. So what you're going to do is fold it like a hot dog, a hot dog bun. So now you have your paper like this, and then you're going to fold down this bit like a triangle at the very front. And you're going to repeat that on the other side. And then you're going to fold it down again, like this. And then you're going to repeat that on the other side. So then it should look like this. And then you're going to do that one more time. So then you should end up looking like this. This is a good version of a paper airplane. And it is can be found on foldandfly.com. Now let's move on to how paper airplanes benefit society. Paper airplanes, according to New York University, can teach people physics, engineering, and aerodynamics. Understanding these things can be done with paper airplanes, because how the paper airplane can fly in the air and how the physics do stuff. Thank you, and let's go recap what we went over today. We went over the history of paper airplanes, how to make a paper airplane, and benefits of paper airplanes. Thank you. As we come in for a landing, I want to thank you guys for listening.